How to redeem a Fortnite gift card. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're wondering how to unlock the in-game items easily, then you can redeem your gift card on Fortnite. First of all, go ahead and open up the web browser and go to the search bar at the top and type in Redeem Fortnite gift card and search. From the search results, look for this Redeem your gift card option under epicgames.com, this one over here. And then you'll be taken to this page. Make sure that you're logged in with your Epic Games account's credentials. Make sure you are inside the right account. Otherwise, the redeemed items will go to the incorrect account. So in the enter code text box, enter your 16-digit code from your gift card. Enter the code correctly without any mistakes in the text box and finally click on redeem. Never share your gift card code with anyone and only use the official Epic Games website. And that's how you successfully redeem your Fortnite gift card. Now you can jump into the game, grab your favorite skins and enjoy your V-Bucks adventure. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.